Khowaio telemura thangmani lama Purbo Ramchandragat Jaijorgana amsayo sharingin tamba shik tamani jorawo TR03D 1597 number ni bolero Malkhung Maltija yak are lai Ranjitni nomo shini nogo thangi shukro burikha o pati thanibo Malkhung mothone shakdu kumanka amsen lukorone mokolo kalake Malkhung mothona nyo Khowaio hangkor shakham nogo tlangi thanga
lama kita ada akala aja enak ada mesti cuma tu
কয়টার সময় ছিল ঘটনাটা?
itu আধা ঘন্টা
আপনার নাম কি? এই জায়গাটার নাম কি? অনেক কয়জন আহত হয়েছে? কয়জন ড্রাইভার দুঃখ পাইছে? রক্ত হয়েছে? ড্রাইভার নিয়ে কোন জায়গাতে গেছে? কয় হাসপাতালে?
Lemboshara Bagbariwo Tongma Rajashri College of Education and Skill College Tripura Hapangbai Goshimung Manjak te Tripura University ni affiliated eba Rungkhungo Chitokja Kaisa English Medium College Oro Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, Botany, Geology, Human Physiology, Geography, English, Kokborok, Political Science, History, Education, Philosophy, Sociology or subject of Porijago or Rungno Kotoro Pornerongno All India Competitive Amjamurungni Bagibo Magnangno Frungjago Ringsunarong Bagai Thugai Duda Mentor Tongo Tei Tongo Bas Malkhungni Sepsap Tongo Kuchukbremni Laboratory Smart Class Babai Buri Naithok Krangjak Tongboyni Bishingo Songsajak Rajashri College Khas Rangino Sabsutara Nobo Chawi Lekhapura Khlaimano.
My name is Pinky Devarma and I'm pursuing BSc in Geography Honors. Rajashri College is one of the best colleges I have ever met in my life. The teachers, the faculty, they provide us to empower in our life and to go for our beautiful future in our life so that we can grow in our daily life. And the teacher, they provide us mentor and they teach how to do the PowerPoint presentation and they encourages us to know about more ability to grow in our environment.
Ani mungka relax derma ang geography department ni o college so ang tak second year kalayo bebak mane jeng je college kata phaimani teacher rok sanga onek guide khaika kata mani phrungjaka jemon jeng public dinok srungo bhaikai bungo student ngo interact khainani gai class of bhaikai jeng dolok bai cooperate khai tongnani above the education college ngo tomo mani phrungu tak nang na di modern technology ro phaitong AI rongni amrong phrungjago tei sin internet rongni bo kahamno exam ro kaham kan cholibo phrungma ro kaham teacher rok belai no guide kheo kaham kai jengno jani jeng mungsung mayang tongai sungkai teacher rok personally jengno phrungo engke jengno jani suppose jeng tabo kuno mungsa problem kulai tongkha engke teacher rok belai no jengno kaham kai bojogo that bo lamate bidike thanai jeng lama hamya kulai tongkha borokno jeng tuna nayo kaham lamao jengno mushroom plantation of phrungo ungko khongkaima rok phrungo plantation of plants and other than that computer skill of phrungjago because modern day or modern technology ma porinai so modern technology por yang guys brain tola kalai thanai thank you.
My name is Isha Bhomik from 6th semester physics department of Rajashri College. This college provides a great opportunity and lots of facility to learn and endure the knowledge and learn more skills in the life. And yeah, I learned a lot of skills from this college and now it's very useful to tackle with the day-to-day life and to deal with many biggest universities and biggest fields. Thank you.
Haike lerewi tinino faidi nini ani jodoni college Rajashri College of Education and Skill Nikuma Bagbari Lemboshara Tripura Kokdug number 9873673875